Okay, so engine number 1 out of the triplets, the 6869 Rupp H50s is done and boxed up and getting ready to go. Number 2's out here on the stand, and I've got its first 20-minute runtime done. This is it's cool down right now to see how it starts, so it might blubber on me a little bit. This one didn't get bored. The other 2 were bored over, but it got everything else. Multi-angle valve jobs, surfaces extrude, original carburetors rebuilt, all that good stuff. This one seems to be running real good. It's been pretty cooperative, so let's see what it does. Seems to be making pretty good power, so I'll let it run for a little while, change the RPMs around, and get ready to paint it. Have a good day.